Okay, so with everything we just learned, there's a little bit practice that we can do. I'll delete those again. Call it updating variables. So what it means by updating variables, it means data should be updated to reflect changes that have happened. So one thing is we can add to original variable. And on the other hand, we can also do a subtract from original variable. And now let's start with an example. For example, we want to keep counting the hours that we studied. So, for example, day 1 hours, right? We call it day 1 is, let's say we studied 4 hours, and day 2, let's put it longer. Sorry, day 2 we studied for 7 hours. And now we want to see how many hours we studied. We do total hours, right? Equals to day 1 plus day 2, right? So that's fine. And now if we just need to print the total hours to see how long have we studied in the first 2 days. But now in day 3 we have a new added variable, right? So the third day came. Now we have day 3 we studied for 5 hours. And what we can do is we don't have to type total hours equals to day 1 plus day 2 plus day 3 plus day 4, the yada yada yada. We can just do total hours. We can just simply do total hours plus equals, total hours plus equals to day 3. And print. And this is updating variables, or we call it adding to original variable, is that instead of having everything added together, we just need to add the most recent data that's being generated to our variable. And that is adding to original variable, and now we can do subtract. For example, let's say we have an Amazon warehouse, and day 1 we want to export. Let's say we're trying to export TVs. So day 1 we exported eight TVs, and day 2 we exported 12 TV. And we have a total number of TV storage of, let's say, 100. So now we want to see how many TVs we have left. So then we do total TV equals to total TV minus export 1 minus export 2, right? So that's what we do normally. Let's print out the result and see. Okay. And print total. And now we get the total amount of TV that's left after we did 2 exports. And now the third day or the third time we exported, let's say we got a big buyer that's ordered 60 TVs, right? So now instead of doing everything all over again, we can just total TV minus equals to export 3. And now we print total TV. And now we can see that in our warehouse, we only have 20 TVs left.